My name is Peter Doyle, and I'm the supervisor for the Water Pollution Control Division, Department of Public Works for the town of Barnstable. And this is a wastewater treatment plant, and it's a conventional, what they call waste-activated wastewater treatment plant located here in Hyannis. It's a small facility as far as wastewater treatment plants goes. We run about 2 million in the summer, and we'll run about 1 million in the winter. We've ended up now with two 100 kilowatt turbines. We're a enterprise account. That means that all of our operating expense and our capital expense is paid for by the sewer customers, and we don't get any tax-based revenue to run this place. So if we could save a buck here or save a buck there, that was the purpose. I've since changed a little bit since then, and I see the benefit of renewable energy, and we have an energy program here, and this was part of that effort to reduce our power consumption for two reasons: for money and for it's a good thing to do.
My name is Steve Kitchen. I'm Vice President for Corporate Education and Training at New England Institute of Technology in Warwick, Rhode Island. We erected our Northwind 100 with one goal in mind: to integrate it into our electrical technology program. There was never really any consideration for doing anything but that. Yes, the fact that it generates power is a wonderful sidebar advantage, and it's also terrific that we can sell energy back to the grid on off hours. But the reality is, this was just like any other lab at New England Institute of Technology. We determined that we needed to make an investment for our students' benefit, and this was a significant investment, obviously, but no more so than the automotive labs that we've built over the years for our automotive program, our electrical technology labs for our electrical program, our surgical technology labs for our surgical technology program. I think you understand my point. This was really an opportunity to expose students to a technology. Investments being made, one, to help mitigate our green footprint, or mitigate our carbon footprint, but also, just as importantly, and perhaps the most important reason, is to have our students exposed to this technology subject matter. Our students have reacted to this with great excitement. The integration of a 7th quarter, which means that they're staying here for another 10 weeks beyond where they normally would have, is obviously was a concern for us. But our students have responded quite well to it. They really appreciate having this knowledge. And very candidly, again, as an electrician, there are going to be residential applications of this technology. Certainly not to the scale, perhaps, of a Northwind 100, but the bottom line is that if our students leave here with exposure to this technology, it's one more marketable skill that they enter the marketplace with. And as a career institution, that's critical for us. We also wanted to make a statement. Very candidly, if we'd gone with some smaller turbines, we're not sure that the impact of saying New England Tech is making an effort to integrate green technology into its curriculum and at the same time reduce its carbon footprint. We're not sure that smaller turbines would have done that. So we really were thinking two things. Predominantly, what could we fit within code in terms of height restrictions for TF Green Airport, and at the same time, what could we do to make sure that the physical statement of saying we're making a commitment to this was also visible not only to our students but to the community as a whole.